Hi everyone! In this tutorial we're gonna show you how to install Bimber WordPress theme. First, we need to upload the theme and activate it. Once the theme is activated, we have to register it to unlock all premium features. Enter your purchase code, accept the license and press the Register Theme button. Once the purchase code is verified, the demos section is now unlocked. Now we'll install the main demo with all its components. When the installation is done, let's check how it looks on frontend. Thank you for watching, bye bye!